So, welcome to yet another explosive session, Crypto Smart Investor. In this video, we'll be learning how to navigate the Metamask interface. It's just very easy, just like how we saw when we actually made the video on Trustwallet. Remember to go ahead to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video. You can hit that bell icon to always get notification when we post awesome videos like this. Now this is your Metamask interface at the top left corner of your screen. So once you click it, you notice that it brings out some details for you. You have your Metamask and you have the name of your wallet, which by default is account 1. And you have send funds, add funds, you have browser. Your browser is actually your DApp browser in Trustwallet. So if you actually can use Trustwallet, you can use Metamask. You have your transaction history, you have your share my public address. Your public address is your wallet address. Is the address that you can use to receive crypto assets or crypto tokens or crypto coins. They have view on Etherscan, so you can view your public address on Etherscan. So Etherscan is a tool on the Ethereum network that actually help you to view all transactions or any detail about any wallet address that you can ever think of. So also have BSC scan for the Binance Smart Chain. You have settings. In settings, you notice that it actually brings up a whole lot of things that you can set up. You have general where you can set up currency, primary currency or fiat. So you can actually play around with this. Make sure that whatever you change, you remember so that you can change it back should you encounter any issue. So you have security and privacy. So this is where you can actually enable biometric, change your password, auto lock after how many seconds, and all that. You can actually save your private key. Remember, your private key is different from your secret recovery phrase, but private key is very powerful in as much as anybody that has access to your private key have access to your whole wallet and can change your password. People can actually get access to your wallet if they get hold of your private key. So your private key is yours to keep. So you can decide to do a whole lot of things. So you can go to advanced, so you can see reset account, all this. So you can add contacts, just like you have contacts on your mobile phone. If you have contacts of wallet address of some specific friends, you can actually add it here. So you have the name, the address. The address is the public address or the wallet address. It is not number 11 Boulevard Street. No, it is different. So in the crypto space, your address is your public address, what you are identified with. So when someone says, please send me your address, I want to send some tokens to you, your address should be your wallet address, your Ethereum address, or your BSC address in this case. So memo is a kind of reward that if someone is actually sending token to you, then you can use it as a description, but it's not actually required at all times. So most times you actually have your Ethereum main network. All your transactions, every other thing you will ever be doing will be on Ethereum main network. But there are some times when probably you need to actually test out some contracts that you use these other networks that is shown here. Okay, so you can make use of all these other network for test purposes. That's why you have Ropsten test network, Covan test network, and the likes. You can go ahead to add networks. There are some special airdrops that you'll be doing, and they'll actually ask you to add a particular network, and they'll provide you with all these details. Use a custom RPC capable network, blah blah blah. Once you're adding network, they'll actually tell you exactly what to do. A guide will actually be provided for you on what to do. So you can add network, and you have experimental about Metamask. So that is that about settings. With all this described, I'm sure you can actually do a whole lot of things on Metamask. So if you notice, when you click on share my public address, it will bring up the place you want to share it to. You can actually copy it. You can share it to a whole lot of place. So supposing you copy it to your clipboard, you can now share it to people. We'll go to transaction history. This is a Virgin wallet, so nothing has actually been done on this wallet. If you notice, once you click this arrow here, it's a drop down. You notice it comes up. You can create a new wallet. You can import an existing wallet. Remember, we actually made video on how to create a new wallet on Trustwallet app and how you can import a new wallet on Trustwallet app. Click the link up there now to actually watch those videos. So in this video, we've actually been able to learn how to navigate the Metamask interface. Go ahead to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you got value from this video. Share this video, also like this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Remember to trade responsibly. Peace out.